I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by powering the phone off and removing any case so you can access the tray without obstruction. Once done, take the SIM eject tool and push straight into the tiny hole until the tray releases. Don't wiggle. Make sure you identify the hybrid tray orientation. One side often holds SIM1, the other shows a combined SIM2/SD slot. You need thin nano SIMs for both slots. If a SIM is larger, trim or use a correct size replacement to avoid jamming. Now lay both SIMs and the memory card into the tray carefully. You put SIM1 in its dedicated slot with the gold contacts facing down so the phone reads it immediately. Next, place SIM2 into the hybrid side, aligning its notch to the tray cutout so it sits flat. That prevents bending. Then slide the micro SD into the remaining groove in the hybrid area with contacts matching the metal pads. Take your time. Incorrect alignment or a tilted card will stop the tray from seating properly and can damage pins. Finish by sliding the tray back in gently until it's flush. Don't force it. Power the phone on and go to the network and storage settings to confirm both SIMs and the memory card are recognized. You may need to choose default SIM for data and allow SD formatting. If a card or SIM is not detected, power down, remove the tray, receipt each item and check for dust or bent contacts. This simple receipt almost always fixes recognition issues. If problems persist, try the SIMs in another phone to rule out hardware faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.